This is your USD News Minute. The 9th annual Restoring Respect Conference will feature an interview with Cindy McCain, wife of late Senator John McCain. Join us on Wednesday for a timely and inspirational discussion about how we can bring acts of civility into our personal and institutional missions and turn the tide on uncivil times. To register, visit their website. In the mathematics department, Satyan Devadoss has released a new book that presents 16 unsolved math problems using stories and characters from the realm of Camelot, including the Round Table, the Holy Grail, and Excalibur. Watch an interview with Satyan on the USD News Center. And speaking of books, the newly renovated Copley Library will be open in a limited way starting today, but only for quiet study time. Study spaces located throughout the first floor will be available by appointment only. To make a reservation and to read the new COVID-19 protocols and procedures, visit their site. As always, thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.